So before we start, we would like to give a small briefing about how it is going on here. In this wedding, it is the Maldivian type, not only the Maldivian, it is Arabic and Islamic, how it will be have a marriage. So we just all speak everything with just like explanation by the Maldivian language and Arabic. So this is how it will be have this the Maldivian style we just to be doing. And when after we just to be introduced a lot of things are there, and after we just have this is the we call it turumba. You have a drinks are there, and after we just have a drink, we just have a speech, and after we explain how it is the marriage, especially what is the marriage are there, how it is your life is there, how you have to be settled things are there, and your future. So that is the major things including these things we just call it. And after we have to be coconut palm to plant in there, and after come back with and after we have a cake, we have ready so many cake and outside, and we just have the cake side and the sharing for all the people side, and we have a Maldivian traditional drums are there, and we just to be enjoying Maldivian traditional music, and after we just to be enjoying them, and we have a small doni, so we call the sailing doni, or a small boat, so we just take it to, these people will be take it to you in the boat, and we will go to the small rooms, and after that is to close, then we have to be in your dinner will be in other restaurants, and tomorrow morning we will just to be providing your breakfast in your room service. That is something that's going on. Are you clear? Any question? You want to ask anything now? I just usually just be just small times to be have a drinks are there, just be relax. Before the big things are there, just have a relax.
Oh, ini ini sagarate. Ini क्या आवत रहे कितना?
मैं गाने लोगों बात
हब्बन मात दागे थिरी आलू बागे राग मत
मसक्कत है Okay, so we can start. Before we start, we just to be standard, and we would like to be just to be. We would like to first God bless, and we just have a and after. When we just to get up and we just to speak with the God, we just would like to say bless for them to go. When we get this marriage in our life, so we would like to say the bless of God. Okay? So because it is done Islamic before we started. Just to be to stretch your hands.
Eke point agar garoni guguba to happen magada gadarung haranzine kurung huddaviye. Haranzine gine firihan kulikulumuse. Gina haranzine ta ekulevegambani firian machasha. Yang Nagura Gine and Adum Kantamatiga will any firian Kabadirasa Takundakati, Gano Guba to get there one of the Ashak get tearing higher. Islam Kurumaki Nuni, Hitano Kurumaki, Butakavas Kabudaka Menuna, Etiabami Hunga, Hisi Koluga, Pituna Pasado get. Pani Fakusataka, Pani Fakusataku, Kolutakum Fada, Batakan Saivati. As if I get Basso Sharuta Usu Takuta Rega, Ibara Lapsukura, Manata Terega Himena, Tebami Hunda direct Pruna de Tere Rangal Gutga Hamitashe, Etiabami Hiktoka Rangal Gutta Medwari Kure Bumashe, Eganu Nasasi Salis Abanama Daganun Tiring Hara Shavi and Bar Lavi and Balatira. Balatira Kuranu Nagubalu, Nagubalakia, take a Harshavi and Getirin de. Ashara Vanamada High Ria Comividal when Etiabam Cabin, Yakumisaha Cabin, and Nuduna Vene, Etiabam Nakirango go to the cabin, Kurmatsakaba and Nune, Etiabam Ekaki Kapar and Anakakis, Kabar Dina Bes Gabul Kurami Kamera and Nagabul Kurebe, Etiabam Ganu Masasi, the Baptist Vanamada Getiri and High Bar Lavian. kiairu kienu nagu balaile. Assalamu alaikum.
Ekkada mun tangkol kono wajjenge
Tangkol kienu.
ekkada
Ini kienu. Tain lagi. Kontang kada kienu.
nagu balan tangkala
Iba ini kienu UK kienu record keram.
awan nivetan hedar
Alilang balilang hadda goli hatilang kalu balum baku bala. Kukulu ke buri aje humu ke kuriga kukulu buri rangala far kutto balasha. Tirga humu ke mihung gina gina kukulu buri ke rahata bela hatati. Ani alimu kurim palimi hunna deme rangal goktarna hat muhitaje ani abami hunna gina gina ani atak deshe tebami hunna ki ani adinu mattaka mi dunia ponu baba baba nuner musara kan tattauga ma badu sakwa konna hadash e ganunu gubatu ga hadde habana ma dahila kamake ni tebami hunna taka ma be nasihatan nuner mi harun ufadda baba ganunu ke Miganu na tiyak tabawani tiyaba mi ungalu na tiyaba mi ungaragat tuwa kalu huriha kalu nasle mi hunna. Ho dari kabala ho dari kalabala ho dari bala minna adi havira kinida oni nuna mina ko bala minna adi ekkala sabir ni jeni mira ko hanu kada daga bala mingina gina inka bil ko gana hitara ko ko hu da kira aran dire ko ritere ga mi hunga batakka na ko bala manga dar gina gina nguru mahai rai bo hetiya tiya ba minna live darin ta ko dere gina mi hunna ni lafajje hiba Nila pajam kata orang tiap hari kita darin tan libeni haran darin kita rega. Hari kuda perkara ini malah yang utara. Mi mara muhimu tarake mi guanu nugu batu ke poin nunu mejuri kutanu ke tiriga watana ke mi tiap hari hunnan nasihat dia tangkole ke gina haran gina konna gumi ke terega gitu ada usha bala menti kuraka wala ko diben hor saram bala darin so you can take it hard and you can put it Devote record ke dekat kanda hai
yo eso no es main bani ko yawa gala
mat kom bala mat mapar
yo man na bada dima karam ko solo
I don't care
Tuare
yes ajjati huri aku devo
ajja bar ajja ya
bar ajjati
anga bokkanne adende anga bokkanne
aga bobbar modaka so now in the Maldivian religions in Islam so now just be already so now then we have a celebration so after before the celebration we just to become unconscious we sign on the certificate and we do it we just have a relax and just have a drink and we will go to start It's good. We call this one Kurumba. Maldivian name Kurumba. It's actually just now in starting your life now. Now we just started your foundation in your life. So this is you have to be very careful if you think about look after your both sides. You have to look after her, she have to look after you and you feel this. It may be sometimes have a complex it should be have to be taught and understand. Not be hopefully in this marriage it will be all your life. It's not going to be a divorce. In the Maldives also in the Maldives people will never be in divorce in that. Very rare.
So in the past they were so they have so many people they did the divorce because they didn't understand what the merits are there. So now all people are very civilized, very understand Saudi. It should be have a long time Saudi. At least we just expected maybe 20 years. So that much long we have to be still because this is not a funny thing that we live in our life. It is very serious. So shall we go to this coconut farm to plant it? Okay, shall we go? Yeah. So we're going to be this way.
Mihar mudane rukajjahang
Rajya is it Raisi Moria Noshi?
aade ye wadaya gannawne Husandidi Ghazi mihar mudane ronginda Hussein Benwan devote Rais Kamara adu minegani me එනිකම දෙවරම මේ වකීරි දෙවරම වකීරි යන දෙවරන් දුවා මුස්කුල වේමේ එසෙනි වාගා ෆිඳි බලන්න මෙන්න ලාගේ පට්ලුනා එයා අංග මෙහා බලස්
සාජන් මොකද දුර
එයා උහෙ එයා කියවා ගාසි හුසන්දීදී
Okay, ready?
යා හරි හරි
අම්බංගල ශරීරෙත් අපේ දුරමල ශරීරෙත්
ඒ රෙත් එඩගෙන බලාවරිකම නිතකු හැබැයි නිතකු දාදී කිරා
The half.
Everything. Answer video.
पानी डालो इसी वक्त पानी डालो ये रे चढ़ा गन्ने बला यार तेचे बला तुम्बले नुरा जहा मिति यार तेचे फेनोस में यारो बला आयतन तभी कवरेज में तुम बहुत हमने मेरे में हराते विद्दरे तो ये आती है इसने बड़ा फिंगर डालने का दावन Alexander okay यार फोटो है ना मुझे हम सीधा वीडियो है नीना मीट देना मैं
Habibu bora तो जिंदा है अगर मैं तो ना गाने अदर वाले ये नहीं आता है
कुछ कोई नहीं ना बना वाला सिरे वाला है
Okay. Kandur.
okay yeah that's good
දෙන්නෝනේ හොළු බෑ මිතනේ.
okay alles good alles paradi
Sibo so in this all the staff in the village we have we will look after when we come back next year for 5 years so we will go back to court, magistrate court.
Oh, koba angge tummal da wodo vele.
Tumbat hoda ga.
Then miko this is miko fin nimi den ala ne den bai.
Kadung liu madara me kerwa.
Please bada.
tummal da ne da heverenge waga ke.
Ye ringa iduwa ga kastu karage.